Next, we have creamy chicken quinoa casserole. The ingredients are 2 cups of reduced sodium chicken broth, 1 cup of 2% milk, 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, half a cup of flour, 2 cups of water divided, 1 cup of uncooked quinoa, which is rinsed, 1/4 cup of cooked crumbled bacon, 1 pound of boneless skinless chicken breasts, 2 teaspoons of seasoning, 1/4 cup of shredded Gruyere, 3 cups of fresh broccoli florets. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and generously grease a 9x13 baking dish. Bring the chicken broth and half a cup of the milk to a low boil in a saucepan. Whisk the other half cup of milk with the poultry seasoning and flour. Add the mixture to the boiling liquid and whisk until a smooth, creamy sauce forms. In a large bowl, mix the sauce from step 1 cup of water, quinoa, and bacon, and stir to combine. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking dish. Slice the chicken breasts into thin strips and lay them over the top of the quinoa mixture. Sprinkle with seasoning. Bake uncovered for 30 minutes. While your casserole is in the oven, place the broccoli in boiling water for about 1 minute until it turns bright green. Then run under cold water and set aside. Check the mixture by stirring it around in the pan, and if needed, bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes to get the right consistency. When the quinoa and chicken are cooked and the sauce is thickened, add the broccoli and a little bit of water. Make sure your consistency is creamy and smooth and you can stir it up easily in the pan. Top with the cheese and bake for 5 minutes or just long enough to melt the cheese.